So you're doing some work on the computer, you need some help. Share your screen. Ask Gemini 2.0 Flash to help you out. You're doing some math problems and you're stuck. Share your screen. And Google Gemini 2.0 is going to help you out. You are crafting some automations on NN8 or make.com. I need some help. Share your screen. And Gemini is going to help you out. This is the new era that we're entering into right now. So Google just released its Gemini 2.0 Flash model, which according to Google is a multimodal live API for building dynamic applications with real-time audio. It's real-time audio and even video streaming. It's twice as fast as the previous model. Right now, you can access it through the Gemini API for developers, which is very, very exciting. We can now build brand new SaaS companies and businesses using this API. If you want to play with it actually for free too, you can access it using the Google AI Studio. This is very, very exciting. They have some benchmarks here. I'm not really going to spend too much time on the benchmarks, but some of the things that are very interesting is that it has spatial understanding. So you can have objects on a picture or objects in a video and able to understand the different positions of those objects and even their shadows. As we said, that is multimodal, which means that you can input text, you can input audio, you can input video to get your responses out. So this is very, very exciting. Even has native image output, which means that it also has some image generation and image altering capabilities. So this is a car here, and it's actually able to convert this car into an open top or a convertible car. This is very exciting, while also preserving some of the other features. If you look at both cars, they look pretty similar, except for the fact that one of them is open top. You also have access to Google search. This is very, very exciting. This is very, very exciting stuff coming up. So the question is, what is going to happen to OpenAI? Is OpenAI is going to try to beat this, which will be very good for us because we're going to have many more options. Competition is very good. Or OpenAI is going to be killed by this. I don't think OpenAI is going to be killed, but let's wait and see. So in the next part of this video, we're going to go into the multimodal live API using the Google's AI Studio and play with it a little bit, and then you will see exactly some of the things that you can do. And we're going to briefly go over some of the different types of applications that you can build with this amazing tool. If you go to aistudio.google.com, you're going to come to this multimodal live API. This is the playground for Gemini 2.0. So if you want to talk to the model to get some questions answered, you can click on talk here. If you want to share your webcam, you can share your webcam. If you want to share your screen, you can share your screen. And these are the different types of inputs that you can provide to the multimodal live API. So if you want to access the Google search, you have to click on the right hand side here at the very bottom. It has grounding. You also have things like code execution and function calling. So just go to aistudio.google.com and play with it. This is very, very powerful. So in the next part of the video, I'm just going to briefly talk about the API and some of the things that you can do with the API in terms of building new businesses. As a developer, the API is always very, very interesting. This is still experimental according to Google. This is a Gemini 2.0 Flash. It's still experimental. So you can try it in studio. I think we went through the studio. This is the studio right here. So this is the model. This is the model when you're coding. This is the model that you put in. And as you can see, there are many different types of inputs. You have audio, images, video, and text. So this is really multimodal. In terms of output for right now, you're going to get text as output from your API, of course. As you can see from the multimodal live API from the AI Studio, you get some more. So you actually get audio output too. But the API for right now, you're going to get only text output for right now. It has some pretty generous input token limits. Up to a million token output is about 8,000. In terms of capabilities, you have structured outputs. OpenAI has had structured outputs for some time now. It also has function calling, image generation, native tool support. So this includes, search, Google search. So this is very, very exciting because you can now build AI agents that actually go out and search the web and get some more information for you. So we are entering some very, very exciting times as we go into 2025. So this is a brief summary of what Google Gemini 2.0 is going to offer. In the next series of videos, we're going to go over some of the business opportunities that you have. As you can just think about this. With the capabilities that you have here, which include real-time video, access to Google search and chatbots, you can just start thinking about building new SaaS companies, like a calorie tracking app. Let me go to this example here. This is a calorie tracking app. This app already makes more than $1 million per month. And basically, what this app does is you take a picture of your food, and then the app tells you how many calories. That's it. So just imagine that you can have an upgrade to this one in terms of maybe not just taking a picture, but actually doing a video. Let's say you're doing a video about cooking, and Gemini is going to help you with that. So there's a lot of opportunity out there. You have things like you can be learning, and then you share your screen and ask, you can share your screen and ask Google Gemini to help you out. So there are so many things that you can build with it. If you think about healthcare apps, education apps, tracking apps, and all types of tracking apps, all types of businesses, security. So the different options that we have out there to build new businesses are really, really endless. You're just limited by your own imagination. Please subscribe to this channel, because in the next coming videos, we're going to go a little bit deeper into some of the apps that you can build. And also, even if you just know how to code a little bit, you can use some, low code tools to actually build some of these apps and start building brand new businesses. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can be cranking out more content like this. Hope you have a blessed day. Bye bye.